Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, November 25th, our word of the day is waft. W-A-F-T. Waft. Waft is a four-letter word and a verb. Remember, verbs are words that show action, occurrence, or state of being. Waft means cause to move gently through the air. When your grandmother cooks her famous spaghetti sauce, many wonderful smells may waft from the kitchen. In other words, the air will gently carry this familiar aroma throughout the house. Similar words include drift, float, bear, blow, convey, ride, transmit, transport. Examples of sentences using waft are: a waft of perfume drifted into Ingrid's nostrils. The sound of a flute wafted down the stairs. A gentle breeze wafted the scent of roses in through the open window. An unpleasant smell seemed to waft from the airline bag Mary always carried to school. Heavenly aromas wafted from the kitchen. When she finally dawdled into the kitchen for lunch, she brought a strong waft of cigarette smoke with her. Make sure to save this new word, waft, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers!